Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again.
Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today showing you guys how I cook my black eyed peas, and what I do is I soak them at nighttime. So this time I'm just showing you how it look when you soak it at night. And so what I did, I just kind of pour out the water and wash it again. So what I did right now, I just put in my crock pot. So that's how I'm gonna cook my black eyed peas. So I'm just showing you guys how it look when you soak it overnight. Okay, so even though if you guys ever want to buy my cookbook, it's also my black eyed peas is in my cookbook as well. Okay. Now here's my ingredient for my black eyed peas. Now I use ham, for my black eyed peas. Most people, you could use any kind of type of meat you desire. Some people use ham, shank, bacon, turkey, people from the South, they don't use turkey, smoked turkey. But I see this generation, I see that they do use smoked turkey or whatever, but I'm from the old school, so yeah. Because I'm doing this for my meat, for my black eyed peas. I'm doing the hickory thick cut bacon. That's really good. I'm gonna saute that, and I'm gonna use a chicken broth. I probably just only use 2 of these, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fresh garlic, 1 onion, and this is my season that I normally use. Onion, even though I got fresh garlic, but I'm still gonna add garlic powder, onion powder, sea salt, and black pepper. Okay, so this is my ingredient. And let me show you guys something. I'm not using this now, but they do sell. Say you don't want to fry your bacon, and it's just like grease when you buy oil, Crisco oil. It's the same thing, but they do sell this. I don't know if they sell it in your local grocery store, but I'm just gonna show you guys that they do sell this bacon grease. Yes. So I just wanted to show you guys that I'm not using this now because I'm making my fresh. I'm making my own bacon grease. Okay. Alrighty. So this is all the ingredients. Yep. Okay, you guys. So I'm using some thick slices. So I'm using 4 slices, and I'm gonna dice it up. See. Yeah. Okay, so I diced them up. That's how I did it. In cube. Okay, you guys, just remember that's just 1 onion. I chopped up my garlic and I'm gonna just only use two, but you could use how many you like. You can use one or a half or whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna you always cook your bacon first. Then you're gonna save the bacon when it get crispy. After your black eyed pea, get done, then you wanna top it, you know, at the last minute, the crispy bacon. That's when everything, your black eyed peas are done, cause you don't want that. Once you put bacon in, sometimes it get a little softer, but if you want still the crunch, they do it at the last minute when it get brown. Okay, cause you gonna keep this on the side once it brown. Yeah, but you'll see. Okay, see how it looks. That's how you want your bacon look, nice and toasted. Then I'm gonna saute. Well, you'll see. I'm gonna saute my onion. I'm gonna take these out, but this is going on top of when my black eyed pea is ready. That's how I look. Okay, that's how I look. Took my bacon out. Wow, this is nice and crispy. Now, I'm going to saute up my vegetable. Saute my onion. Look good. That's how I add my garlic. And just add my two vegetables. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pour the saute in with my black eyed peas. That's it. Hope you guys make this. And again, this is New Year's Day. Happy New Year's, you guys. 2025. Okay, you guys. So I added my saute egg. Egg. Oh, Lord. My saute onions and garlic and pepper. Okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to stir it up. How I'm doing it, mix everything up. Then I'm going to pour my chicken broth in it. You know how I do it. See? It's a good black eyed pea for New Year's. So this is, again, New Year's Day 2025. January 1st, 2025. And this is what the chicken broth I'm using. Organic. And I'll probably use this whole quart. And you want to fill this up till it cover the peas. Okay? Then what you do is kind of stir it up some more. And if you feel like it needs some more, long as the you can if you don't have chicken broth, you can use water as well. Yes. Okay, and just let it cook. This, since I soaked my black eyed peas at night, it shouldn't take that long. It's already puffed up. That's how it look before it get cooked. Yep. Then I just put the top back on. Oops, one more thing, you guys. I forgot to add my season. And I just like, I know how much I used to use, maybe about, if you're a cook, you know, you don't have to measure it. But if you're a cook, most time people use like a teaspoon each season. Okay, so I'm gonna add my black pepper. I just like to eyeball it, you guys. And if you're a cook, you know just how much season to put in, you know. Sea salt. Just kind of sprinkle like that. And you can always come back and add more once it, once it get all settling in, you know. Yeah. Then garlic powder, sprinkle, and already. And then even though that you got fresh garlic, but sometimes the fresh garlic it will cook through. Yeah, but yeah. And like I said, once it get finally, you always want to come back and taste it, see if it need more seasoning. Okay? And that's my black eyed peas, you guys. Oh, that's gonna be good. I could just tell, you know. Yes, yes, yes. All right. So I'll see you guys once this is ready. Put my top on it and let it. I don't have to worry about coming back. All right. And that is how I cook my black eyed peas. I guarantee. Hope you guys like it, and hope you guys cook it my way, Southern style. Yep, Southern black eyed peas. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna show you how my black eyed peas look. Okay, here we go. It is well cooked. Look, and that's how your black eyed peas fully look. And it is done. You see the gravy? Oh my God. Yep. Ooh, the steam, but that's how it's supposed to look. And then usually I used to put ham chop, but I just on it. You saw what I put on the meat. I put was the smoked bacon, the thick, because I already got a pork loin. I didn't want too much meat. Okay, but I just want to show you guys that is my recipe, and this is how it look with the pepper. Yes, yes, yes. I'll show you guys a bowl of it with cornbread. Okay. But yes, yes, yes. And you could cook these. You know what, you guys? You could cook these black eyed pie any day, any year, any holidays. You know, even though that I'm cooking this for the New Year, because that's most of the time when I cook black eyed peas. You know, is for the New Year's. Yeah, but you can also, you don't have to just only cook it for New Year. You can also cook it, for any day, Sunday dinner. Okay? Just want to give y'all that tip. All right, that's it. Love you guys. Okay, Happy New Year's. My New Year's dinner is ready. Happy New Year 2025. That's my black eyed peas. Mm. Steam. That's the black eyed peas.